In this video, we are going to learn how we're going to interact a web page, the HTML file with JavaScript. So let's create an example how we can add JavaScript code to HTML. So let's create an HTML doc type. So this is basic HTML boilerplate. We are going to add script to it. So in this script tag, we can add JavaScript code. So let's make an alert with hello world. So now we are add JavaScript code. So let's see in our browser. So this is the alert box that we are adding in the JavaScript file in the HTML file. So this is the method one. You can write JavaScript code inside an HTML file like this. And there is an alternative one. You can add src tag, src property, and you can add another external JavaScript file into it. So let's create a JavaScript file called index.js and add JavaScript code into it. Hello world. Then add the JavaScript file into the HTML file. And now see, there is alert in this file and there is alert in this file. Let's change this alert. So this is the text from this alert, but let's see what. Now see, this is the hello world from the index.js file, and this is ignored because we can't write JavaScript code if we specify the src tag. So this is ignored. So, but how can we write another JavaScript code? So we can using again a script tag. Again, we can add this line. So let's see. So look, this, this, both alert has been uh, created in the browser. So both way we can add JavaScript code to our HTML document. And now there is another type attribute uh, as like text slash JavaScript, but this is in the HTML4 type, but we are using HTML5, so we don't require the type attribute. So this is the way we can add JavaScript file to an HTML document.